You can see there are how many elements? There are how many elements? After that, where we have to go?
Filter.
Filter.
Yeah, disagree.
Tell me here, which is like a maintainable asset, which is non-maintainable asset. Pipe fitting is non-maintainable. Other two accessories and fixtures is
Maintainable.
yes, right? Yes or no, guys? Super. Only we have to create pipe accessories as well as
Pipe fittings.
pipe accessories as well as plumbing fixtures. See, I have only 128
Maintainable assets.
maintainable
Assets.
assets. Okay. After that, where I have to go? I have to create schedule, right? Yes or no? See, I already created the schedule. COBie, pipe accessories, and then COBie
Plumbing fixtures.
plumbing fixture. Inside the COBie pipe accessories, you can see there are a number of parameters. Family type, level, description, manufacturer, mark, model, system classification, system name, system type, and then type, count, or set, omniclass, and the material. Okay, I have created two schedules. Yes or no? Because we want only two categories. Two categories are the maintainable categories. Okay. After that, what I have to do? Please, this will be like an interaction session. You just tell some answer or like a next step. What is the next step? What I have to do? COBie?
You just yes, COBie and COBie type.
Okay. Did you see there is COBie parameter here?
No.
I'm not seeing. So
Yeah.
maybe setup has not been done right maybe.
Yes. Setup is missing. So again,
Yes.
come to interoperability tool. Go for setup projects. Just set up your areas. Space for elements. This will be okay. Okay. Just for namesake, I'm saving this one. Okay. If I'm opening this tool, I mean, it's a setup project, and then if I'm saving this one, automatically this my COBie parameter will be created or generated.
Yes.
See, automatically COBie. You can see
Yes,
here, right?
yes.
Automatically COBie dot component and space, and then systems schedules is generated. And then if you're going for any fixtures, you can able to see all the COBie parameters are there. Okay. Now what you have to go? You have to go for schedule, and then we have to insert which parameter? COBie and
COBie type.
super. Perfect.
Then you will click both.
Yes. What I need to do here?
Just we need to check all.
Yes. Because this is the for what purpose I'm checking this all. I mean two parameters. Anyone? This is the permission that Revit parameter is giving permission to the COBie parameter that I can map all the parameter value.
Yes. So that it will while mapping it will consider all the element which we have selected.
Yes,
Right?
yes, sir. Yes,
If you
yes,
will,
sir.
if you will map, if you will tick only above 3 items, then while mapping only those 3 items will be exported from COBie spreadsheet, right?
Yes, exactly, yes. Okay. I have done for pipe accessories, and then I am going for pipe fixtures. Same thing I am doing, like I am importing COBie and then COBie dot type.
Type.
Yes. We done this with this thing. We done with these things, okay? Okay, what is the
Yes.
next step?
Go to the interpretation and assign classification.
See, yeah, classification we need to do, but I will show you how to do classification, but we no need to give like a, I mean, mm, all the classification now because it will take more time. Because it will take like a number of time to give classification, but that classification value will not be exported in this spreadsheet. But classification is main thing, main important thing in COBie integrated model. I will show you one classification. It will be replicant
Yes.
for all the categories.
Yes. Then we will do the context as well. Context detail will be.
Yes,
Right.
yes, yes. Contact details because contact details also is already we have created. We are just created. I will import the contact details here.
Yes, yes.
Okay, we are done with these things. What is the next step? Is anyone? See, we have opened on model. We have second step. We have gone through. We went through like on 3D area. We have removed all the import categories, links, and then we have customized. I mean, we have filtered only maintainable asset. After that, we have created two schedule for two maintainable categories. Finally, we checked all the COBie parameter. Yes, right. And
Yes.
then we need to context.
So
You can
we
see
have done.
yes, one by one we can go.
Human details we already done.
General setup, we have done everything right. We are done with the locality and units and everything, and then space we have done. Type it should be like as it is, no problem. If you want to changes, we can change in future, no problem. Attributes, level, accessories, and plumbing fixtures are there. Okay, no problem. Here for component family, there will be for families there will be a location point. Otherwise rooms, floors, and spaces there will be bounding box. Fine. Schedules is already created here. Parameter mapping. You can see which are the parameter we need to map. Okay. Okay. Next, we need to go for zones.
Yes.
See our architecture people. We have requested yesterday, like they have done a very good job. Like they have taken very less time to create those spaces. I appreciate them. You can see here. You can see here there are a lot of spaces, right? This is rooms. See, so only. See, I don't have rooms. If I go for show only space, then I have a lot of spaces, right? Okay. What I have received information from the architecture people in the energy center model, they did not segregate any zones. There is no zone. So I am considering this as
Single zone.
single zone, like a
Renovation area or zone.
okay. Description I am giving energy center zone created by like whoever we can give like Dennis. A lot of people are there. As of now, I will keep Dennis. See, I am giving save. Yes. After that, what I have to do? I have to select. I have to drag and drop here.
Siddhi,
Yes, sir.
the space, rooms or spaces are created in the architectural file, but here you have not linked the architectural file. So how it is coming here?
Sir, what happened? We have to copy paste those spaces from architecture file to plumbing file. We have to copy.
Have you done that?
Yeah, this is already done, sir. This is already done in previous. I mean, yesterday people they have done from the plumbing side. Plumbing people.
Okay. So can you show the architectural file?
Yeah, I'll show you on architecture file. Okay. Now we have created one zone. Under the zone, I have kept all these spaces. Yes, right? Nice. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Giving save and close. Now I have created zone. Then next step I have to go for select. Inside select, what I have to do? I have to clear the select the spaces, because in my COBie spreadsheet area I need spaces, right? Yes or no? So I'm checking the spaces, and then plumbing fixture, plumbing accessories, not plumbing fitting, and I mean not pipe fitting and then pipes, because those two are non-maintainable asset, right? And then levels. Remaining also I have checked, and then I'm giving close. See, first we are done with setup projects, and then contacts, then zones, select. Finally, we need to go for,
Okay.
as of now, I'm going for update all. Set all blank value as NA. If there is any blank value, it shows as NA. Okay. And then give, apply and close. I had done with all these things, right? Yes or no? I will show you one classification. Now we can go for one classification. This is a plumbing fixture, right? Yes. This is like a roof drain. Okay, okay, fine. We are going for, sorry, machine classification. Set COBie parameter. Okay. First of all, I will go for facility. In my facility, international airport. I'm assigning the facility. I'm first. I'm assigning the facility. Facility is known as type of. So I have given as a international airport. Cambodia's international airport, right? So I have given international airport. Second, I'm assigning the elements. Distribution. Assigning this as a plumbing fixtures. The values are assigned. You can see the value is assigned, right? Yes. Like this, it is replicant for all the types, because we need to assign the, we need to assign the classification for all the categories, but those assigned value will not be exported in the COBie spreadsheet, but it is mandatory to assign classification for all categories or elements. Okay. Yes or no, guys? Because this is the integrated model, right? COBie integrated model. So if you are telling COBie integrated model, then automatically there should be all the values should be integrated in the model. Okay. Fine. See, we are done with these two things, and then this all things. Finally, we need to go for. Spreadsheet. I'm exporting my COBie spreadsheet. Did you see all my contacts are there, right? Yes or no? Okay. My facilities are there, right? Yes. My floors are there. Okay. My spaces are there, right? Yes or no, guys? You can see these are the spaces which we have created, right? Which I mean, architecture people, they have created spaces are there, and then our zones which we have created only single zone. This is the single zone. Yes or no? Inside the single zone, every spaces are there. Okay. Types. These are the types, and then who is created, and then created on, and then description, and then manufacturer. These are NA. Why you know? These things we need to get from the client. Yesterday, I mean, day before yesterday, we have just discussed with the mechanical people. They have updated these all things, manufacturer, and then some category they don't have the manufacturing details, so they need to check with the on-site team. So that's why these are like NA. They are also I mean updated this description. You can see inside the component, every values are there. System, you can see this is the pipe system they have assigned. And then attributes. Coordinates. Okay, the values are every values are presented in the COBie spreadsheet. I will show you one thing. You can see. For that, what I have did, I have mapped COBie dot description into description, and then facility name into building name, floor description into name. So I have mapped this all the parameters. You can see the for elevation I have kept the elevation, height I have kept the elevation, floor name I have kept the name. We have used for gross area I have used area, spaces I have used name, net area is area, room tag I have used name, size I have mapped with the size, and then height length width I have mapped with the height length and width. That's all. This is what I have done with the background process. Automatically 70 to 80% values are done. Remaining 20 to 25% values are not done because values are missing in the model. I clearly said to you, like COBie is not disturbing the Revit parameter values. It's just mapping the parameters values from the Revit. Yes or no, guys? Does anyone have any doubt in this? Does anyone have any doubt in this?
No.
Guys, this is for full plumbing model. I have created this spreadsheet for full plumbing model.